Did you swallow a bug? You're upside down. Honeycrisp is the best. Oh, what a mess. We really need to go there.
To put Grandma to bed. Grandma's just home from the hospital where she had a pacemaker, so she's been feeling a little, under the weather.
Oh, she got lost in a closet.
Well, it all started because she got lost in a closet. So we have to go help Grandma. So poor Pa, hearing not good, not good. Poor soul, he can't really hear. Even with the hearing aids, still can't really hear. So we're trying to put her to bed, and she's saying, "Can you open the windows and let some air in?" So, fine, no problem. So Mallory sees the big giant air conditioner that's on the wall and says to her grandmother, "Is this the air conditioner
They poop on.
that they poop on?" I started laughing because Grandma told us the story about how she can't figure out what animal on the second floor is dropping giant turds on her air conditioner. I went on a dinner conversation about a year ago.
The whole summer.
The whole summer.
Anytime someone new was at the house, did you hear?
There's giant turds on my air conditioner. So, he brings up the air conditioner. He asks if the whatever animal is looking at it. Which sparked the whole conversation about the turds, to which my poor father, in his deafness, says, "What? Turn on the air conditioner?" And we said, "No, Ellen, she wanted to know about the turds." "What? The turds." "What? Put on the air conditioner?" "No, turds, no, turds." This poor Mallory and I are doubled over in pain. And she goes, doo-doos, the doo-doos, Ellen, the turds, we excuse ourselves and collapse on a bed in another room because we can't stand there. So the poor soul, when we came back in, looked completely confused and wanted to still know if we wanted the air conditioner on. Never did get the whole turd doo-doo there. Who's like dead tired, 84-year-old, doesn't have the energy to get down the stairs again, thinks he's going back downstairs to let us out. I said, "Oh, Mallory, so, are you Honey Boo Boo's mother?" I said, "Don't worry about it. We'll drill lock the door." I reminded them of the last time. So I didn't turn off the internet. Oh, you're killing me now. I locked everything
You
up.
gotta keep it real, Mommy.
And then on our way home, there was a wire down in the road from the pole. Anyway, I didn't do it. So we had to call Blinky to tell her to call the police and let somebody know that the wire's down. And now we're home. Now it's very late. And I'm trying to close the house and get ready for bed. But, you know, after you get me laughing like this, I'm wide awake. So you probably just freaked out my whole night. So it's like I was going to sleep anyway. But
I'm telling you, girl. You're gonna Oh my god. You got a problem. Oh, you're not gonna go to Zumba. You're gonna be banned for 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Two for each offense. Oh. Alright. That's good stuff.